Today guys, I'm just going to show you how to do Audi. This is a Q5. Is the oil service reset. So it's going to be simple, guys. You take your key. Just take your key. And then what you do is you just insert it in here. You just put inside. Once you put that, the screen comes like that. So what happens is, guys, once you do that, you come here. There are the cars which have the information right here, guys, but my car, it has the information down right here. So what you do, you come down here, you click on car right here. Once you do that, it shows up in the on the dash. So you use this knob right here to control what shows up here. So you just go down like that. You go down, you go up to surface, interval, display. Once you reach there, you press this in between. You tap it like that. And then say next oil change is in 10,000 265, and then say inspection due is in 2008 miles. So you scroll down. Once you scroll down, guys, bring that, you say reset oil interval reset. That's what you do, and then you press OK. Are you sure? You come to yes. You click on yes. Oil change interval is being reset. Next oil change 10,000, and that's it. So guys, that's the procedure, guys, to do it. So it will reset to the right amount of time, which is 10,000. So once you do that, you'll be good to go. Okay. Nice driving out there. See you next time.